Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Capricorn, it's sign. This is my weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Capricorn, it's sign. Messages for Capricorn. Messages for Capricorn. Messages for Capricorn. Under the deck, Page of Wands and Six of Swords. For some, you decided to move on from this person. Yes. And you are very honest in this connection, but someone want to communicate with you. And they want to fix the things between both of you. For some, you both have age differences. But one person in this connection is very good looking. So let's see your reading. Recent past, 8 of Pentacles, 4 of Wands and 8 of Cups. So what I'm seeing here, you are taking the whole responsibility of this relationship. Maybe your person is in and out of your life. 8 of Pentacles, you are taking responsibility, but they are not. That's why you are fed up with that energy. Maybe you decided to move on. 8 of Cups is here. Yes. Because they are not available to you when you need them emotionally. Capricorn. Maybe for some third party situation, for some family issues. So that's why you made a decision to walk away. Then present Magician and Knight of Swords, 5 of Cups. Yes, you are feeling sad. For some, your person may be a player also. But someone is rushing to communicate with you because Knight of Swords energy. They are in so much rush to communicate with you. And Magician. I think one person is manifesting other in this connection. Maybe they are manifesting you. Maybe you walked away. Still you want them back. Still you are doing manifestation. For some, not all. But someone is rushing to communicate with you. Even though you walked away, you're still feeling sad. Then future, the Hierophant, 3 of Cups and Ace of Cups. Definitely for some, a new love is entering in your life. For some, maybe your past person coming back for reconciliation because the Hierophant with 3 of Cups. For some, maybe your person is already married, third party situation involved. But for some, they are coming back to offer their cup of love to you and they want reconciliation. So, Ace of Cups. Definitely there is new love is coming for some. So, take what resonate depending upon your situation. But for some, a reconciliation, for some, a new love is coming. And the person involved in this connection could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, and Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So Capricorn, let's see your person current feelings and the near future actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Under the deck, Emperor with the Devil. Yeah, maybe this person has some ego problem. Maybe they are very dominative in and out of your life. For some, this person may be toxic for you, very dark energy. So let's see their current feelings, Capricorn. And the person involved in this connection could be Virgo or Pisces, especially 6 of Swords with 8 of Cups. I think they want to fix the things between both of you. Yeah, maybe they are manifesting you because the moon, but there are some illusions, some differences between both of you. They are in so much pain, but they still want you back. They want to fix the things between both of you. And 10 of Swords. means completion, but they want rebirth. Ten of Swords all means rebirth, and right now they're not talking to you. You are in no contact situation. They're healing their self. They're isolated from all and thinking everything in detail. Uh, but lot of disturbances between both of you guys. So let's see their intentions. Yeah, they want rebirth. And Three of Pentacles with Nine of Pentacles. I think they, in past, there is no collaboration between you and your person, but they really want to work on this relationship. They want partnership with you. They want success in this connection. Four of Cups, they're feeling missed opportunity with you, and death and rebirth. Right now, maybe you both are separated. Maybe you're thinking it was ended between both of you, but no, they're planning to come back. They want success in this connection. There is communication. For some, you will receive communication. And Three of Pentacles, definitely they are thinking about to work on this relationship. Maybe for some, it will take some time, because right now, maybe your person undergoing some transformation. That's why it will take some time, but they are missing you and they still want rebirth in this connection. And the person involved in this connection could be especially Pisces, Virgo, or Scorpio. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, they are spying on you. A Knight of Cups. This person has romantic feeling for you. Definitely they are spying on you. Maybe they want to make a move towards you, but they watching you. They keep tabs on you. And Two of Swords. Yeah, right now your person at some crossroads. They have to make some decision, but right now they are indecisive. Maybe for some children's also involved in this connection. Queen of Cups. I think you still have strong emotions towards this person. You want clarity with communication, and some cycles are going to be end between you and your person. And Page of Wands again under the deck, communication. You want clarity and communication, Capricorn. Page of Cups. Yes, communication is coming. Apology for some. Maybe they hurt you in past. Now they want to say apology to you. Definitely there is text is coming. Communication is coming. They're missing you, Capricorn. They're spying you a lot. Yeah, again Four of Cups. They're feeling missed opportunity with you. So let's see some messages from your person and Capricorn. I'm not feel good enough for you. I want you back. I can't give you what you need. I'm crazy about you. Age difference. I want to express my love. So the messages are, I am not feeling good enough for you. I want you back. I can't give you what you need. I'm crazy about you. Age difference. And I want to express my love. So these are the messages from your person, and take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck. Capricorn. Meditate and contemplate, new moon in Pisces. Conclusions are within reach, full moon eclipse. So meditate and contemplate. So if you have any problems, especially mental problems, maybe you are getting a lot of thoughts, maybe having some past hurts, so do meditation. And conclusions are within reach, full moon eclipse. So definitely if you are waiting for some answers to your questions, So those answers are coming, especially when full moon eclipse. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like, and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.